Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to review and just try out the gel manicure kit from Mini Macaron or Macaron. I got the kit in the color Milkshake. I thought let's just go for a white because that's a really nice color to have in your collection and very versatile as well. On the side of the box you can see what is all included in this box. And yeah, I'm just going to unbox it, try it out for the first time, see how it works. So you do get the cutest little LED light. It is just for one finger like at a time, so it does take up a little bit more time if you're used to doing all 5 nails all together, but it's actually quite quick because you just have to cure each layer for 30 seconds. Then in the box, of course, you find your USB cord that will help you actually power your little LED light. It all looks so cute. There's a little cuticle pusher, there's a little file, and there are some soak off like pads in here as well. Then you also get a little booklet with all of the different information that you will need to actually use this properly, but it's really easy to just go ahead, start. The things, or at least the steps you have to go through, aren't that like hard to follow, and yeah, it's all like pretty basic, just like any other gel polish brand. So in this Milkshake manicure kit, or at least there are different colors like LED lights as well in these kits, so that's quite cool. These gel polishes contain 10 milliliter, by the way, so it is a decent size. And as far as the LED light goes, you can actually remove the top as well, and you can just easily plug it in, put it in your laptop or in a phone charger or anything like that, and you are good to go. As you can see here, my fingers fit perfectly. I do have to say I have quite long, narrow fingers. So yeah, I don't know if you have like a little bit more wide finger. I'm not sure if it's going to fit like really easily or something like that, but that's just a little heads up. Then I also got 3 other colors. I just showed you them real quick and I'm going to use those in the design I'm going to share in this video as well. But I'm going to start off, of course, with the Milkshake color. It's just a beautiful creamy white, and yeah, I'm pretty much in love with it already. It's really easy because all of these gel polishes are a 3-in-1, so you don't have to apply a base coat on forehand or a top coat. You just apply the color and you're good to go. I already had a little bit of gel base and top coat on my nails because I was in between manicures for like a week or so, and I did want to add just a little bit more strength to my nails because I had shortened them a little while ago, and I always feel like I break my nails more easily if they are this shorter length. If you're following me for a longer period of time, you know that I usually have way longer nails than the length I have in this video, but I had to shorten them. I actually broke both of my thumbnails and I just really wanted to shorten it all just to make sure that I have a fresh, like strong set of nails on each hand. So yeah, here you can actually see me applying that first coat. The instructions say to apply thin layers. That is something that I usually like always do when applying gel polish or regular nail polish for that matter. Just thin layers work best. And then you just place your finger in there, push the little on button, and it actually cures in 30 seconds, which is pretty fast in my opinion. I really like that. I just look at how cute that little LED light looks. It's just a little macaron, you know, or macaron. Macaron. I don't know how you say it in English, but yeah, I'm from Europe, so I tend to go for the French pronunciation, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I think it's a really cute brand. I really think they chose a really nice like brand name as well, and you can just make so many cute stuff with a name like that, you know. So that was the first layer, and of course there isn't a tacky layer or anything like that at all because it is like a one-step gel, I think they call it, or a 3-in-1 gel. So yeah, you don't have to apply a base or top coat. It's just the color and there's no sticky layer after curing, so that is a big plus. So yeah, you just want to apply as many coats as you want, as you like personally prefer. I always go for about 2 or 3 coats depending on how opaque it is. This was just 2 coats if I remember correctly, but for some nails I actually applied a 3rd layer as well, because some, like, I just applied a little bit of a thinner layer than others. But I know that on the, I think it was the middle finger and the ring finger, I applied a 3rd coat just to make it completely opaque. I didn't feel like it was that like chunky or anything, but I feel like if I would have just applied 2 thin layers instead of 3, it would have looked a little bit more slim, if you know what I mean. But as I mentioned earlier in the video, I also was able to choose 3 other colors. These are also the one-step gel, so you don't need a base or top coat or anything like that. Oh, and by the way, you can all just soak them off like you would regularly do with soak off gel polishes. But this cute yellow one is called Lemon Sorbet or Sorbet? I don't know. Sorbet, I think. And again, I'm sorry guys, this was still with like my testing setup, my testing overhead rig. So sometimes I'm a little bit out of focus and the lighting is a little bit weird, but like the videos from now on will be way better. I'm sorry about that. There were like 2 or 3 videos that were a little bit wonky, like a little bit like shifting and stuff. But yeah, that's just a little heads up. I'm sorry about that. But this color is so cute. I really wanted to choose some cute, fun spring colors. So the yellow one was really cute. It's like a perfect Easter color. And this blue one is called Baby Blue. It is also definitely a very cute color to wear on its own. But for the design I am going to do at the end of this video, I just wanted to give the white nails a little bit of like a colored accent. And I actually wore this gel design that I will of course show you at the end of the video. I wore it for about 2 weeks and it was perfectly on there for 2 weeks as well. I actually just took it off after 2 weeks because I felt like I wanted to do something different for my nails. So yeah, these gel polishes actually last a long time and I'm pretty rough with my nails, especially in the new job that I just recently started at. Yeah, I do a lot of manual work, let's just put it at that. So it actually does last a long time, and that's a big plus because some gel polishes last a long time if you don't do any manual work. But if you just start to work and do rough stuff with your hands, they don't last that long, but these actually do. Then another color is called Bubblegum Crush. Again, such a cute pink color. I just chose a couple of different pastel kind of colors. I think that's really cute, and this will definitely be a color that I'll be using a lot on my own nails, especially just this color on all of my nails. And yeah, you guys know me, I love my pink color, so yeah. For all of these quick like swatches on these swatch sticks, I am applying 2 layers just to show you the full effect and just opaqueness and color that these gel polishes give. And a little bit of extra information. I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning of the video, but the entire kit, there are different colors available. And you can get those for about 33 euros, and the single gel polishes are about 14 euros each. So that is actually quite affordable. Most of the brands that I use have like their single polishes for like 15 to 20 euros. So yeah, just $13.99 is actually quite a good deal in my opinion. But now for the design that I made with these colors, because I already applied a white base, I'm just going to like dab a little bit of each and every single colored gel polish, the yellow, the blue and the pink, on one of my resin plates. I really love working with those because they're so easy to clean off as well. And yeah, I'm just going to make a cute Manicure design with all of the colors. So I'm just going to like use the smaller end of my dotting tool and mostly just place all of the colored dots from the cuticle towards halfway down the nail, I'd say. And yeah, you can just apply one color, you can apply more colors or as many or as little as you want to. You can just go in with 1 dot of each, for instance. That's a really cute like design idea as well. The only thing I'd say what you want to do is just to clean off your dotting tool in between, like switching colors. Because you don't want to like mix colors. Of course you can do so as well. I actually tried that off camera. If these colors are easily to just mix up and make cool new colors with, because of course if you would mix the blue and the pink, you would get a really cute pastel kind of purple color. So yeah, that is something that you can always just try out if you only have a couple of basic colors in your collection so far and you don't have any like additional money or something to spend on other colors. You can always just mix up colors and just add a little bit more of the blue or a little bit more of the pink just to change the different shades of colors. So yeah, that is something you can always do if you don't have like a huge like color stash or anything like that. But yeah, this design is actually really easy. It's really fun for Easter as well. It kind of reminds me of like Easter eggs and stuff like that. So yeah, it's really easy to do, and I've actually been waiting a long time to do a Manicure design, or like a dotted design. Like people are calling this design a lot of different terms. It's totally up to you how you want to call it. I just call it a Manicure because it's a manicure with a lot of dots, you know, that makes sense to me personally. But yeah, it's really easy to do and really fun as well, so definitely try it yourself. You don't need a lot of tools. Again, if you don't have any dotting tools, you can use like a toothpick or anything like that as well. That's also really handy, and a lot of people already have those laying around the house as well. So yeah, you can also recreate this design with regular nail polishes, but since I was trying this brand out for the first time, I think it's really cute. And you just want to cure each finger in your LED light for 30 seconds. Of course, you can always just skip the little light and go for a bigger one. I know that this brand also has bigger LED lights in the same kind of cool like look and aesthetic. It's just really cute. Oh, and I also have a discount code of 10%, so if you want to check it out, I will put that in the description box as well as in the pinned comments. And yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed with this brand. I've seen a lot of other like nail YouTubers talk about it and show like their reviews and stuff, but I didn't expect it to be like this good, and the whole aesthetic is just really cute, you know. I am pretty much obsessed at the moment. I just have it on my desk because it's just so cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.